Let us suppose we have to multiply 2 by itself 8 times. We would unite it as 2 into 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 2. It can be expressed as 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8 is an exponential number. It is read as 2 is the power 8 or 2 raised to 8. Here, 2 is the base number and 8 is the index or exponent. 2 into 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 2 equals to 2 to power 8 when 2 is base and 8 is index. Example: 6 into 6 into 6. 6 to power 3 is the index form. 6 is the base and 3 is the index. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 to power 4 is the index form. 4 is the base and 4 is the index. 5 into 5. 5 to power 2 is the index form. 5 is the base and 2 is the index. 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. 8 to power 5 is the index form. 8 is the base and 5 is the index. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. 1 to power 6 is the index form. 1 is the base and 6 is the index. 2 to power 3 equals 2 into 2 into 2. It is read as 2 to power 3 or third power of 2 or cube of 2. 2 to power 2 equals 2 into 2. This is read as second power of 2 or square of 2. 2 to power 1 is equal to 2. First power of a number is number itself. If the index of a number is 1, it is custom not to write the index. Example: 5 to power 1 equals 5. 10 to power 1 equals 10. Now let us solve exercise 21. Question number 1. Read the numbers and complete the table. Number 1. 1 to the power 3. Its multiplication form is 1 into 1 into 1. Base is 1 and index is 3. Number 2. 3 to the power 7. Its multiplication form is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Base is 3 and index is 7. Number 3. 7 to the power 9. Its multiplication form is 7 into 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 7. Base is 7 and index is 9. Number 4. 2 raised to 6. Its multiplication form is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Base is 2 and index is 6. Number 5. 3 raised to 4. Its multiplication form is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Base is 3 and index is 4. Number 6. 4 raised to 3. Its multiplication form is 4 into 4 into 4. Base is 4 and index is 3. Number 7. 2 to the power 8. Its multiplication form is 2 into 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 2. Base is 2 and index is 8. Number 8. 15 square. Its multiplication form is 15 into 15. Base is 15 and index is 2. Number 9. 3 raised to 1. Its multiplication form is 3 into 1. Base is 3 and index is 1. Number 10. 10 raised to 5. Its multiplication form is 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Base is 10 and index is 5. Question number 2. Write in index form. Number 1. Base 6, index 4. Solution equals to 6 to the power 4. Number 2. 2 raised to 4. Solution equals to 2 to the power 4. Number 3. The square of 7. Solution equals to 7 to the power 2. Number 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Solution equals to 3 to the power 5. Number 5. 6 into 6 into 6. Solution equals to 6 to power 3. Number 6. The cube of 9. Solution equals to 9 to power 3. Question number 3. Write in multiplication form. Number 1. 11 raised to 4. Solution equals to 11 into 11 into 11 into 11. Number 2. 6 raised to 2. Solution equals to 6 into 6. Number 3. 8 raised to 5. Solution equals to 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. Let us see how to find the value of a number with an index. Example 1. Find the value of 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3 equals to 5 into 5 into 5 means base 5 taken 3 times equals to 125. Example 2. Find the value of 7 raised to 5. 7 raised to 5 equals to 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 means base 7 taken 5 times equals to 16,807. Now let us solve exercise 22. Find the value of number 1. 3 raised to 6. Solution equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 equals to 729. Number 2. 2 raised to 6. Solution equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 64. Number 3. 1 raised to 8. Solution equals to 1 into 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 1 equals to 1. Number 4. 10 raised to 5. Solution equals to 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 equals to 1 lakh. Number 5. 7 raised to 4. Solution equals to 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 equals to 2401. Let us see how to use letters in numbers in index form. Like writing 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 2 raised to 3. We can also write A into A into A equals to A raised to 3. Examples: P into P into P into P into P equals to P raised to 5. X into X into X into X equals to X raised to 4. L to power 1 equals to L. M to power 2 equals to M into M. Let's see how to write given number in index form using a given base. Example 1. Write 81 in index form using base 9. Base equals to 9. We write 81 as factor of 9. 81 equals to 9 into 9 equals to 9 raised to 2, or by prime factorization method equals to 81 divided by 9 gives 9, equal to 9 divided by 9 gives 1. Example 2. Write 81 in index form using base 3. Base equals to 3. We write 81 as factor of 3. 81 equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 equals to 3 raised to 4, or by prime factorization 81 divided by 3 equals to 27. 27 divided by 3 equals to 9. 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. 3 divided by 3 equals to 1. Let us solve exercise 23. Write the numbers in the index form. Number 1. 125. Base 5. Solution. 125 equals to 5 into 5 into 5 equals to 5 raised to 3. Number 2. 243. Base 3. Solution. 243 equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 equals to 3 raised to 5. Number 3. 100. Base 10. Solution. 100 equals to 10 into 10 equals to 10 raised to 2. Number 4. 1 crore. Base 10. Solution. 1 crore equals to 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 equals to 10 raised to 7.